Hello everyone, my name is Akash Mote. We are from Anuradha Engineering College Chikli from Department of Information Technology, and we are here to give presentation on our project. Our project title is Ask Me Question and Answer Forum. The project members are Urshali Hade, Akash Mote and Yogesh Nikas under the guidance of Professor S.T. Savale ma'am. And contents will be introduction, problem statement, motivation, design and objective, system architecture, coding and testing, advantages, disadvantages, conclusion, and then references. So, take a look on introduction. Online question and answer discussion forum have recently become important information resources for students, and studies have shown that online discussion forum have a positive influence on learning outcomes. However, it remains unclear how the specific characteristics of this forum contribute to this effect. Statistical results reveal that students using more elaborate online question and answer discussion forum are more likely to active participate in online discussions, engaging at a higher cognitive level and enjoying superior learning performance when compared to those using forum that are more basics. So, what is question and answering? According to Wikipedia, type of information retrieval. Given a collection of documents, the system should be able to retrieve answers to questions posed in natural languages. This is our problem statement. Question answering system is taking an important role in current search engine optimization concept. And we got some motivation from forums like Quora and Stack Overflow. We studied there how users can ask their question and how any users can reply on another user's questions. After that, we found we can add some more features on our forum so that user can easily interact with uh, each one of users. Design and objective. Performance. The question answering engine should provide an accurate answer to a question asked in a timely fashion. Concurrency. The question answering engine should provide an interface for multiple users asking questions at the same time. Language support. The question answering engine should be designed around an architecture that supports multiple languages. Distributed computing. The question answering engine should be designed around an architecture that allows computation units to be performed on nodes within a network instead of overloading one processing node. And here is the short architecture of our project. When user visits the website, there are two forms of users. Some users are already registered and some users are new users. So if user is new user, he have to register on the websites, and if user is already registered, uh, he have to log in. Then it will redirect to the home page. After that, user can discuss their question and post their answers also. And after the publication, users can log out from there. So thanks. I request Yogesh to please present next part of our project.
Advantages. Online forum allow students to participate or ask their question frequently in public. Anyone which is not belong to technical background can also share the knowledge or can solve their problems also. User will get one root platform so they don't need to search anywhere. If user want to connect with their favorite one, they can follow them and they will get all notification from them. Next. Disadvantages. Questioning and answering both handled by users, so the questions and answer are not verified. Initially we allow low user database, so mostly we not find easily answer. Without user login we cannot post questions and answer right answers. Next.
Okay.
Now I am going to show you actual coding and a demo of our project. So here is our all code, and I am going to run the project. Yes, this is our homepage. First of all, when user visit the site, user will get that landing page, and if he want to search their question, and so he can type here any question and search the question. If he search the question and question is not found, then he can also post their own question in that uh, site. So if a user want to post a question and click here, so it's telling that you need to log in first. So anonymous users cannot post their questions on site. They need to register on site first. So when user can register from here and sign up. Okay. It's telling that email is already taken.
Okay, sign up is okay. Just log in by using any existing username and password.
Okay, sir. When I'm signing user, he will get a profile page, and in the profile page, user can see their all followers following all question asked by him and all answers. But if a user want to edit the profile, he can also edit profile, change the password. He can change password. Okay, and if user want to ask a question, here is a button, and user here now user can type any question here. For example, and here is the category. And if question details is required, when I am posting the question, success, and here is the question. Here is all question as showing all questions, and if users want to answer any question like here is the previous one question, and I want to answer that question, and here is the button, and I can see all the answers. Two answers is here. It's that question. To answer, I can see that answer, and I can post my answer also here. Okay, and if I want to follow the some people, then here all list of people. So I can follow anyone. If I follow someone, then the people is adding my followers list. Okay, and after that, this is our about page. This is our team, locations, and all that. And if someone has some query or a suggestion, he can send a message without login also. And here is one system we put it. You can see the badges: professional, some are beginners, some are mediator. So we added a point system. If someone like the answers or someone follows you, you will get a specific point for that activity. So based upon that, you will get the point and you will get that badge. If all I need the detail of all badges, here is the information.
Akash, my question is, Akash, my question is that
your program or your software is showing suggested peoples. Okay,
Yes.
on which criteria your project is showing these peoples?
Uh,
Suggested peoples was there.
sir,
Okay, so listen. If there are thousands of people who have already logged in or using sign up, okay, but for my question, okay, how many will be there depending on which algorithm or searching mechanism, or what is the criteria is
yes,
there?
yes, sir. We will add, sir, not added yet, but we will add on the basis of location, and if
On the
on the basis of location, sir. And yes, sir. And here is the per page we are putting some people, and here is the button one page, first page, second page, and next all that.
okay,
So that coding is not completed by because some time issue.
okay.
So finally, we can conclude that this forum can easily support any browser. Various updates can be performed in this forum in coming future. This forum will result in minimizing the gap amongst different users. This forum gives a platform which results in an easy way of communication amongst different people from different areas. And here are some references we taken from. Thank you very much.